welcome back to my channel. So I am finally back with another Empties video for you guys. So we have quite a few stuff here, so let's get started with the biggest item that I have right here. So this is from Lush. This is the Rose Shower Gel, or Rose Jam Shower Gel, and this is in 33.8 fluid ounce, which is 100 ml. And oh my goodness, like this stuff right here, depending on how you use it, it can pretty much almost last you one whole entire year. Especially like if you use a little bit, it's gonna last you a very long time. And this, unfortunately, they only sell this online. They used to sell this in store, but I guess not a lot of people really purchase it in store anymore, so I had to purchase this online, and this actually shipped all the way from Canada. Okay, so for the shower gel, like when you just apply it to your skin, like it's so smooth, and then when you like rinse it off, like your skin doesn't feel dry or anything at all, which I absolutely love this. And I have to say, yes, this is a little bit on the pricier side, but it makes my skin just feels so nice. And this is obviously one of like their top sellers for like Lush shower gels. Okay, next we have these two. So I'm pretty sure actually I talked about these before. So this is the Miss Meyer's Clean Day. So this is hand soap. This is in a basil scent, and this one is in lavender, and I absolutely love using these two, but I do prefer the lavender more. This is more of my type of scent. But these hand soaps, okay, yes, they're expensive, but I purchased them at Target, and sometimes they have a sale at Target where you buy like a specific amount and then they give you like a gift card bag, or sometimes they'll do like 20% like off this whole entire brand. So that's usually when I stock up, or like if you have like the Target Red card, you get like an extra 5% discount, and this is like such a good deal to purchase. Okay, so these hand soaps, okay, they make your hand just feel so nice and clean. Like they don't like dry out your hands like after, like, you know, when you wash them, because sometimes with like specific hand soaps, like your hand just gets so dry, but these are like the perfect hand soap. Like I highly recommend giving these a try, especially picking them at Target, because Target sometimes has like really good sales. Okay, next we have, this is from Be Love. So they used to call this brand Love Beauty and Planet, which they still do have the name on here. And when I first started using this brand, I absolutely like love their stuff, but I noticed, especially last year, because I actually got this last year. This was like part of like the holiday hand cream set that they had, and I'm saying like their hand creams are not nearly as good as it used to be, since obviously, you know, they kind of like rebranded this like a little bit. I would say it's not as moisturizing, it's not as hydrating as I want it to be, but especially for like the price of this, you know, definitely say it is a good price point for like a hand cream. But I feel like I wish that they kept like the old formula. Okay, next we have, this is from I feel like I always pronounce this incorrectly for some reason, CeraVe. Did I get it? Yes, I think I got it this time. So this is their daily moisturizing lotion for normal to dry skin, and I have been using this for, I want to say, over a year now, probably almost 2 years now, and I absolutely love using this. Okay, first of all, because the price of this, it's such a good price. Like, okay, especially like if you shop at Target, sometimes they do like gift card purchases, or if you shop at like Costco or Sam's Club, sometimes like these go on sale, and it's such a steal, especially if you do have like memberships there. I definitely highly recommend picking this up at like Sam's Club or Costco for like the best deal. Okay, so for this, you can actually use it on your face and on your like whole entire body, but for me, I mainly use it on my body, because for my face I have like a whole another skincare routine for that. So it's very lightweight, it's very hydrating, it definitely does like lock in the moisturizer, and it is not greasy at all. And definitely recommend giving this a try. Like if you have not tried this, highly recommend giving this a try, because your skin is going to transform. Like there's so many like lotions out there, but this is such a good brand. Okay, next we have, these are actually pretty much all from the same brand. So this is from Sol de Janeiro, and I got these. So this is their Baja Flor Elasti cream, and I have to say, I am a huge fan of using their products, but for some reason I felt like for this product it was a little bit, I don't know, I guess you could say kind of have like high expectations. Like my expectations kind of like, I guess, excelled a little bit, and it just kind of just like disappointed me a little bit. Like, yes, you know, first of all, it does smell amazing. I absolutely love the scent, especially like if you are into like floral scents, highly recommend this scent, okay? But for like moisturizing wise, I feel like it's not as moisturizing as I want it to be. And especially like when you first apply into like your body or like your skin, it doesn't absorb as fast as I want it to be. Like especially compared to like the OG, like the Bum Bum cream, that one, it's so good. Like it just absorbs into your skin so fast, so well. It's not greasy. I feel like this one's just kind of lacking a little bit, but I have to say, you know, the scent is amazing. So if you are thinking about trying this, I highly recommend giving the OG, which is the Bum Bum cream, a try first. Okay, next we have, all of these products are from one brand. So this is all from Fab, or also known as First Aid Beauty, and you guys can see like I am a huge fan of using their products. I've been using their products for like over like 5 years, and they're just amazing. Okay, first of all, this is their facial cleanser. I probably talked about this so many times. I literally like stock up this every single time, especially during like the holiday seasons when they come in like a full set. It's like, it's such a good price, and you're probably gonna hear me talk about this every single time, probably in like my every other Empties video. Like, this is such a good face cleanser. It's perfect for like all skin types, even sensitive skin. Like, it won't like strip your skin, it won't make it feel like very drying afterwards. Okay, so these two are the Ultra Repair Cream. So they're just in different sizes. So this is like the full size one, which is 6 ounces, and this is kind of, I guess you could say, like a deluxe or like a travel size one. This is in 1 ounce. They work exactly the same thing, but for like the best deal, definitely recommend this one. Like, I use this especially in the morning and at night. Sometimes I also have to like use this in the afternoon too, like depending on where you live and how like the season is, especially like in the fall winter season. Like, I put so much of this on, like especially in like spring and summer. I don't use nearly as much, but this will keep your skin nice, hydrated, and moisturized. Okay, and next we have, this is the face moisturizer with sunscreen with SPF 30. Okay, this one was a struggle for me, especially the pump right here. Like, I literally had to like pump so many times to get the product out. Like, that it just really frustrated me so much. But aside from that, I have to say, I feel like this product was just okay. My expectations were a little bit high, since you guys know I am a huge fan of this brand. I feel like it's just not as moisturizing as I want it to be, even though it says Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. Like, I feel like it's kind of lacking there. But especially for like the summer season, spring season, this is very good. But for like winter and fall season, I definitely wouldn't use this product as much. But I mean, the pump, it just really gets me. Every single time when I use this, I'm just like, really? So aside from that, I feel like this is just an okay moisturizer. Definitely recommend this one, the OG one right here. So yeah, that's actually all the products I have for this video. So feel free to let me know what Empty products you have tried, or have you tried any of these products that I mentioned. So I would love to hear about that. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.